Did you ever think of lightning as nature's fireworks? Picture this: a single bolt of lightning crackling through the sky, generating an incredible amount of heat. We're talking 30,000 degrees Celsius, folks. Yes, you heard that right. That's a temperature 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. It's hard to imagine, isn't it? This natural phenomenon, as chaotic as it may seem, is actually quite beautiful. Every time a bolt of lightning streaks across the sky, it's as if nature is putting on a grandiose firework display. Each lightning bolt, a unique spectacle, illuminating the sky with its fiery brilliance. And that, my friends, is the awe-inspiring power of Mother Nature. So the next time you see a lightning bolt, remember, it's a natural firework display, a breathtaking show of light and heat, orchestrated by the grand conductor that is our natural world. Have you ever heard of a haboob? It's not just a whimsical word, it's a term that describes a colossal dust storm. Picture this: a dust storm so massive that it stretches for miles, reaching heights of over 1,500 meters. That's approximately the size of 5,000 feet. Or to put it in perspective, about 1/3 the height of Mount Everest. These towering walls of dust aren't just impressive in size, they also possess an eerie ability to transform the day into a peculiar twilight. This isn't your typical dusk with a setting sun and a beautiful array of colors. No, this is a twilight brought on by a cloud of dust so dense that it swallows the daylight, painting the sky an uncanny shade of orange. So the next time you hear the word haboob, remember this: it's not just a dust storm, it's a landscape-altering phenomenon. Imagine a wall of dust engulfing your entire city, turning day into an uncanny orange twilight. Ever wondered why storms have names? It's a question that might have crossed your mind as you've watched the weather forecast. Well, it's not just because we like giving things names. It's a practical measure that helps us track and communicate about these powerful weather phenomena more effectively. The World Meteorological Organization, an international body of weather experts, assigns names to tropical storms. But why? It's simple. Having a unique name makes it easier for forecasters and the public to keep tabs on a storm's progress, understand its potential impact, and stay informed. Plus, it's much simpler to remember and use in conversation than a complex system of numbers or coordinates. This practice enables effective communication, which is crucial for disaster preparedness and response. So, the next time you hear a storm's name, remember it's not just a label, but a crucial tool for staying informed and prepared. Storm chasing isn't just for thrill seekers. Indeed, it is a high-stakes pursuit of knowledge, a dance with danger to unravel the mysteries of our atmosphere. Imagine venturing into the heart of a storm, a vortex of wild winds and driving rain, all in the name of science. These intrepid explorers are not just chasing storms, they are chasing answers. Scientists brave these tempests to gather valuable data, aiming to better understand how storms form, behave, and dissipate. They track wind speeds, measure temperature fluctuations, and capture breathtaking images that provide key insights into these powerful natural phenomena. And what is the reason for this pursuit? The data collected aids in improving weather forecasts, informing emergency responses, and ultimately safeguarding lives and communities. So you see, storm chasers do more than just chase adrenaline. They're playing a real-life game of cat and mouse with Mother Nature. Have you ever seen a firenado? Brace yourself, for this is nature in its most terrifying form. Picture a tornado, that swirling vortex of wind, but now replace that wind with fire. Yes, fire. These are not the stuff of nightmares or fantasy films, but a rare and petrifying spectacle of the natural world. Firenados, or fire tornadoes, occur when intense heat from wildfires generates powerful updrafts. This heat can create a swirling vortex of flame, a terrifying whirlwind of fire that can reach heights of over 100 feet. The spectacle is as mesmerizing as it is horrifying. A tower of flame that dances and flickers with a destructive power that can lay waste to everything in its path. But how can such a phenomenon occur? It's all down to the raw, untamed power of wildfires. The intense heat they produce creates powerful updrafts, and these updrafts can generate a swirling vortex of flame, firenados, a chilling reminder of the unpredictable power of nature. Did you know lightning doesn't just strike from cloud to ground? That's right. Lightning isn't always the vertical spectacle we're familiar with. It can also travel horizontally, in a phenomenon known as a bolt from the blue. These bolts are just as electrifying, but they take a detour, traveling sideways before they strike the earth. This unique lightning behavior is not only fascinating, but it also has a surprising range. Picture this. You're standing 10 miles away from a storm, believing you're safe from its fury. Then out of the blue, literally, a bolt strikes. These horizontal lightning bolts can reach distances up to 10 miles away from the storm, far beyond the reach of a typical thunderstorm's rain or even its clouds. So, next time you see a storm brewing in the distance, keep in mind that you might not be as safe as you think. Remember, a bolt from the blue can catch you off guard. Always respect the power of nature. Ever heard of storm surges? Picture this, a wall of water over 20 feet high bearing down on the coastline. This is not a tsunami caused by an earthquake, but rather it's the result of intense storms. Hurricanes and other powerful tempests churn the ocean with such force that they create a massive dome of water. As the storm approaches land, this dome crashes onto the shore, causing extensive flooding and catastrophic damage. Storm surges can push inland for miles, transforming bustling coastal cities into waterlogged wastelands. They're indiscriminate, swallowing up everything in their path, houses, cars, and unfortunately people too. Their immense power is a stark reminder of nature's unfettered might. Unlike tsunamis, which can occur anywhere in the world, storm surges are most common in tropical and subtropical regions. But as our climate changes, their reach may expand, posing a greater threat to coastal communities worldwide. Storm surges, nature's tsunami, are a devastating reminder of the power storms can unleash on our coastlines. Dust devils may look harmless, but they can pack quite a punch. These miniature whirlwinds, often conjured by hot, dry conditions, are not to be underestimated. While they may not have the sheer size or destructive power of their larger cousins, tornadoes, dust devils still have the ability to surprise us with their strength. Imagine a dust devil spinning at speeds of up to 70 miles per hour. That's faster than most of us drive on the highway. At these speeds, they can easily toss around debris, turning harmless objects into projectiles. These whirlwinds can pop up out of nowhere, leaving a trail of dust and surprise in their wake. It's a fascinating phenomenon, a testament to the unpredictable and powerful forces that nature can unleash. But remember, their captivating dance can also be a danger if you get too close. So next time you see a dust devil, remember, it's more than just a spectacle. Ever heard of thundersnow? It's more than just a catchy phrase. It's a rare and magical marvel of nature, a combination of thunderstorms and snowfall. We usually associate thunderstorms with warm, rainy weather, but under the right conditions, they can occur during a snowstorm, resulting in this fascinating phenomenon. Now you might be wondering, how does thundersnow come about? Well, it's all about the atmosphere. Thunderstorms typically require warmer air near the ground and cooler air above to create the necessary instability. But in winter, it's often uniformly cold at all levels. However, sometimes a layer of warmer air can become trapped beneath colder air, leading to an unstable atmosphere. And voila, the stage is set for thundersnow. But what makes it so special? The rarity of thundersnow is part of its allure. It's estimated that less than 1% of all snowstorms are accompanied by thunder and lightning. And that's not all. The snowflakes within the storm can also muffle the sound of thunder, making it much quieter than in a typical thunderstorm. This means that usually you need to be within a couple of miles to hear it. And when you do, it's a truly captivating spectacle. Imagine the quiet hush of a snowfall, suddenly broken by the crackle of thunder, followed by the bright flash of lightning illuminating the falling snowflakes. It's a breathtaking display of nature's power and beauty, a stark contrast that serves as a reminder of the awe-inspiring forces at play in our weather. So next time you're in a snowstorm, pay attention to the sounds around you. You might just get to experience the magic of thundersnow. It's more than just a meteorological curiosity. It's a testament to the unpredictable and awe-inspiring nature of our world. So next time you're in a snowstorm, keep your ears peeled for the rumble of thundersnow, a breathtaking display of nature's power and beauty.